Okay, we're out in the street today, and this is probably the weirdest thing I've ever done for a YouTube video. But today, we're gonna be walking around asking strangers if I can rebuild their gaming PC. My goal is to somehow find someone who has a gaming PC who will also let me rebuild it. Then I'm gonna be changing the case and the cooler so it feels like a new PC. I'm doing a YouTube video finding someone who has a gaming PC I can rebuild. Someone gives their PC to me, I rebuild it, clean it, so it feels like a brand new PC.
I don't have one.
You got the wrong people.
Oh, good time. A gaming PC, a computer.
No.
I don't.
Don't, I'm afraid.
Oh.
I sold mine. I just got back from Australia.
Oh,
back
really?
Into Australia, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Best of luck, though.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your time. Ej, han ringer til nogen. He's calling somebody. Should we do it anyway? Oh. Sorry, man. Or, wait, I was just wondering if you have a gaming PC. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, what?
I was wondering if you have a gaming PC. I'm doing a YouTube video asking someone if I can rebuild a gaming PC.
What was that?
A gaming PC, a computer.
Oh, yeah.
You have one?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Like,
It's a laptop.
oh, it's a laptop.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might be difficult with a laptop. And this was my main problem, that people didn't really have a PC.
No, I don't.
I do not.
And the ones who did either had a laptop or just didn't want to let me rebuild their
I was
PC.
wondering if you have a gaming PC.
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Can I rebuild it? I'm doing a YouTube video trying to find someone whose PC I can rebuild.
Well, like right now?
Not right now. It could be like in a couple of days or weeks or something.
Nah, that's all right, mate.
Okay. Fair enough. Thank you. I also went into this thinking it would be extremely difficult, and I kind of thought I would have to make like a Facebook post, but at the end of the first day, I did get some new hope. I was just wondering if you have a gaming PC.
Sure, yeah, I do.
You do? Yeah. Oh, really? Not a laptop, like a real gaming PC. Okay, yeah, no worries. Sorry for taking you out of the car.
No, it's all good. I was just waiting.
What's your name?
Anyway, Jacob.
Jacob, I'm Sander.
Jacob. Nice to meet
Where
you.
from?
Slovakia.
Oh, really? We're from Denmark. So he gave me his number and told me he took it with him from overseas. And he was honestly a super nice guy, and he seemed pretty keen to let me rebuild it. Whoa. That's great. That's really interesting.
This is dying.
True, that is true. Yeah.
So you have a gaming PC, not a laptop, like a proper
No,
gaming
it's a
PC.
proper PC, but
Okay.
it's not that good.
Oh,
It's
really?
pretty old now, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's probably 4 or 5 years old.
Okay. Oh, that would be perfect. Wow. Exciting. And even though I got a few opportunities on the first day, which already exceeded my expectations, I went out again just to have some different options if they wouldn't answer or just if they didn't have a PC that I could rebuild. Sorry man, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, man.
I'm doing a YouTube video finding someone who has a gaming PC.
I don't. I've got a gaming PC.
You got a gaming PC?
Yes.
Can I rebuild it?
Can you rebuild it for free?
Yeah, for free. Just for the content. Is it an old gaming PC?
Not really. 30, 70.
Okay.
How long will it take?
Probably a day.
Oh,
Is that too much?
yeah, I've got to use it today.
No, I won't do it today.
Oh yeah, sure.
It would
sure.
take a day.
Yeah.
Do it.
When would you do it? Yeah.
Like probably in a week or something. Do you have
Instagram?
WhatsApp? Yeah, Instagram is
WhatsApp,
fine.
yeah, it's-
So I started off the second day with the same momentum that I ended the first day with, because the second guy I talked to literally had a PC. So I got his number as well, but unfortunately the luck didn't really continue.
Oh, I don't.
Oh, I don't have one. No, I don't.
Okay.
I don't have a game.
Okay, no worries.
Sorry, not me.
Sorry guys, can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
I'm doing a YouTube video finding someone who has a gaming PC.
What?
I'm doing a YouTube video finding someone who has a gaming PC.
Oh, I don't have gaming PC.
Okay.
Sorry.
No worries. And the second time I went out, I really got rejected a lot more than I did the first time. But I also picked a street where there was a lot of people and a lot of busy people. So I think that might be the reason why.
Oh yeah, come on.
Do you have a gaming PC?
I do, yeah.
Is it a laptop or is it like a proper?
Actual PC, yeah.
It's like a PC. Is it an old one?
Nah, probably 2 years ago.
Okay.
Pretty calm.
Might be difficult to rebuild that.
Yeah.
Do you have it?
I'm also from Melbourne, so.
Okay, that makes it even more difficult. Okay. Thank you for your time anyway. Do you have a gaming PC?
Oh yeah, just small one.
Really?
Yeah.
Might be difficult to rebuild if you just bought it.
No, I never built.
No, okay, it's fine. Thank you for your time. Do you have a gaming PC?
No.
I do not have a gaming PC.
You don't have one at all? Okay. Okay, okay.
Game and PC?
A gaming PC.
Gaming PC? I only got laptop.
Okay.
Oh, we don't.
Okay.
Oh, what? Sorry.
A gaming PC.
Gaming PC.
Yeah.
Like what?
Like a PC to game on.
What do you mean? Like a computer?
Yeah, like a computer. Yeah.
I'm confused.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Have you never heard of a gaming PC?
Like an old school PC?
Yeah, just a computer you can game on.
Oh no, I don't
No.
have that.
Okay, that's fine.
I have a laptop. That's all.
Yeah, it's not the same. But thank you anyway. No worries.
Gaming?
A gaming PC.
I have no idea about that, sorry.
So even though I started out pretty strong on the second day, I didn't really get to talk with anyone else who had a PC that I could rebuild. So I decided to go home and focus on the 3 guys that I've already met and see if I could rebuild one of those. I've been texting the 3 guys that I've met, and I would love to make all of their PCs, but unfortunately I don't have the time or the money to do it. So I have to pick one. And Jacob was the first guy I met, and like he was super nice. And he sent me a picture of his PC, and it looked pretty new, pretty clean. So I don't think the rebuild would be that cool. And also he stopped replying to me. So then there was Daniel. I met Daniel on the second day, and he was so nice. Like he was super friendly, super keen to do this rebuild. And I think his reaction would have been great. But his PC was also relatively new, so I don't think that rebuild would have been cool anyway as well. And then there's the last guy, which is Dylan. And Dylan didn't really seem that keen to begin with, and he didn't respond to my text within the first week. So I texted him again, and this time he did answer, and he sent me some picture of his PC as well. And his PC had some pretty old specs and looked kind of dirty, so that rebuild would probably be the best. So yeah, I also decided to go with Dylan. So I got in contact with Enermax, who also sent me their stuff in one of my previous videos, and asked if they wanted to send over a case and a CPU cooler, and they said yes. AIO. Oh, shit. This should have 2 RGB fans. Good, how are you? Hi, Dylan. Is it okay if I sit it down?
Yeah.
You're going to get a new...
Not attached to it.
Okay, nice. You're gonna get a new case anyway. And I received the parts a few days before this, and he told me that he needed the PC back the same night for his work. So I had the rest of the day to do this rebuild.
So much. We'll see you later.
I'll text you later, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, nice. Okay, so we've got the PC, and this is what it currently looks like. It's actually pretty nice. Like, yeah, I mean, this is pretty cool. Time to rebuild this. Okay, let's go. And I know I probably should use a table, but I don't have a table available right now. So I might just use the bed and the floor. Let's get this out of here. This is the parts that I'm going to reuse. Just have to clean them first. Yeah, let's go. Time to mount this bad boy. Yeah, we have the white AIO here. Fuck, I have to mount it myself. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed. There we got the new case, also from Enermax. I should have known. This kinda sucks. This means I either have to buy a new motherboard for Dylan or buy a new case. Fuck. So the motherboard was essentially just too big for the case, because I got sent out a micro ATX case and I didn't know that. And at this point I had 1 hour before Dylan had to pick up the PC to do work, and I had the option of either changing the motherboard or changing the case, and I looked everywhere. But I was doing this at 3 o'clock on a Saturday, so everything had almost closed. So I looked on Facebook and everywhere else, and no one could deliver it ASAP. So I realized I had to build the PC back into his old case and then redo this another day. I moved everything back into the old case, and I just kept this cooler inside of the new case, so I don't have to do that twice. But yeah, so I have to find a new case, and until then, Dylan needs his PC. So yeah. He picked up the PC later that day, and he brought me this cake, which he really shouldn't have done. But I found a new case the next day, and I ordered it and received it within 2 days. And hopefully this fit. It should fit. So I texted Dylan again and said I got all the parts that I need. And thankfully he let me rebuild it another time. And I also knew I couldn't afford to mess it up this time. So hopefully the second time would be the last time. I got all the parts out, and this was the moment of truth. And thankfully, it fit. Okay, look at this. I think I've plugged in every cable. Damn, the feminine transition. So 1 month ago I went out asking strangers if I could rebuild their PC, which is something I've never done before, and thankfully I met Dylan, who decided to trust me as a completely stranger with his PC. And this is how it turned out. I packed some extra screws, and obviously the old Noctua cooler and the old case is also Dylan's, so... But yeah, the only thing now there's left is to surprise Dylan. Yeah. Okay, wait.
Hands going. Okay, you can watch. Oh, dude, that is sick.
Yeah.
That is awesome, man. It looks so compact now as well.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm loving all the colors. I mean, I love it as it is, dude. God damn, it looks so clean now.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
It's the same PC. Now that the video is over and Dylan has his new PC, I can finally say that this is the best video I've ever made, and this is not the last video I'll do with this type of content. And I just want to say thank you for watching, and thank you, Dylan, for trusting me with your PC.